Hello students, we have to start with the chapter 4, operators in Java. Now in operators in Java, we have to first understand about operator and operand. Now what is an operator and what is an operand? Suppose we have an expression a plus b. In this, a and b is your operand and plus or any other arithmetic operator that we use is called as an operator. Now any arithmetical expression, what is an arithmetical expression? An arithmetical expression is any expression which is having a meaningful variable, constants and arithmetic operator. It means we can say a combination of variables, constants and arithmetic operators. When they are put together to make a meaningful expression, we say it is an arithmetical expression. Now we can make out that arithmetical operators, that is your plus, minus, division and multiplication. We see one example over here. A asterisk A, it means A into A plus B minus C into A. So we have to note here that modulus is not a real arithmetic operator. I had given explanation earlier also. A modulus, that is a percentage symbol, we use in arithmetical expression in Java to find out the remainder, and where division is used to find the quotient. Now proceeding further, we go with types of operators. The types of operators we have to see: arithmetical operator, relational operator and logical operator. Arithmetical operator, they are basically of two types, unary and binary. So we first go with the unary operator. Unary means 1. It is used as 1. Now unary operator, it is of two types, unary plus or minus or unary increment and decrement operator. Unary plus and unary minus are basically used for sign symbol. Sign symbol means if I write plus, if I have to show a positive number, we used to write plus 5, or we understand it is written as 5, considering it as a positive number. But whenever we have to show a negative number, we used to write it as minus 5. So this minus symbol that we are using before the digit, it is a unary operator. Next type of your unary operator is unary increment and decrement operator. Now unary increment and decrement operator are of two types, prefix operator and postfix operator. Prefix means they are used before the operand, and postfix means they are used after the operand. Now plus plus a or a plus plus, both means the same. That means a equals to a plus 1. If we have to use to increase the value by 1, we can make use of plus plus. But if we are increasing the value of any operand by 2, by 3, we cannot write a plus 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 or a plus 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 for 3 times, or a plus 2 or a plus 3. Only for increasing the value by 1 or decreasing the value by 1, we can write, making use of shorthand operators, a plus plus or a minus minus, or minus minus a or plus plus a. But what is the difference between prefix and postfix? This is important to understand. Prefix says you first increase the value of the operand and then use it into the expression. Postfix says whatever the value the operand is having, you make use of that value into the expression and then increase the operand value by 1. So we can see over here the prefix operator. It states first increase the value then use in the expression. Now plus plus a means a plus 1. So first increase the value by 1 and then use in the expression. Let us see one example. A here, a equals to 5 and b equals to 10. So if our expression is c equals to plus plus a plus b, it means c equals to increase the value first. So 5 plus 1 or 1 plus 5 plus 10. So instead of using a value as 5, it is increased to 6. So we are writing 6 plus 10, that is the answer is 16. Let us see the another example making use of decrement operator. Suppose x equals to 15 and y equals to 22. So here x equals to x plus minus y. It means 15 plus 22 minus 1. So 22 minus 1 will be done before using the y value 22. We cannot be used before we use it into the expression because it is of prefix given. So it will become 21. So instead of 15 plus 22, we will do 15 plus 21 and the resultant is 36. We can see the note again revising. A minus minus a means a minus 1. Decrease the value by 1 and then use the expression to evaluate the result. Let us see the postfix expressions. The postfix expression, it can both be plus plus or minus minus. It states that first use the value of the operand in the expression and then decrease the value of the operand by 1. The decreased value will be used in the next iteration. It means if the same expression has to be go for evaluation for the next time it will evaluate the decreased value or the increased value of the operand. Here we see one example, that is a equals to a plus 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 b minus minus plus c. This means a will be increased after its evaluating, b also will be decreased after its evaluation. So if a equals to 2, b equals to 5 and c equals to 8, then into the expression we will first put the value a as 2, b as 5 and c as 8. So in this expression a equals to 15, but a has to increase one more. That's why we write, either we can enclose the whole thing and write plus 1 as a has to increase by 1. But here we can see that it is written separately since a plus plus, so a equals to 15 plus 1. Final result of a is 16. Whereas if we count the individual values of the operand after the evaluation of this expression, then we see that because b has to go for minus minus, it means b has to decrease by 1. We see that b is decreased by 1 from, it is decreased as b equals to b minus 1, 5 minus 1 and the b results to 4. So the final result is a equals to 16, b equals to 4 and c equals to 8. This is the explanation of your postfix and prefix expressions in Java. Thank you.